Imagine this for a second. In the next 1 hour, you create or generate an AI video that is 3 to 15 seconds long. You record your workflow of generating that AI video using a certain AI tool, and you submit that workflow to a certain website, and within 24 to 48 hours, you get a payment tied to that submission. Over the past few days, I've been sharing this money-making opportunity, but very few people are taking time to watch those videos. I don't know if people are just not interested in making money with AI, or maybe people just don't want to create content and prefer other methods. But let me just show you my payment platform. You can see right here that I've been earning now from the platform. I joined the platform I think a few days ago. It's less than 7 days already, and you can see right here I've made at least somewhere $120. For those of you that might have not watched those videos, the website I'm talking about is Higgsfield. Now Higgsfield is not just an AI tool. This is a platform that brings the most popular AI tools into one place, and one subscription of the platform gets you access to all these other AI platforms. Talk of ChatGPT, VO3, Sora 2, Sora whatever, almost all these popular platforms. And in addition to that, the reason I'm covering this platform is because they actually have a money-making opportunity, and that is something that I am always looking forward to as a creator. You want source of money, so you can even start actually a brand new YouTube channel, and you can actually earn with Higgsfield AI. Right here inside Higgsfield, all you have to do is click right here where it says video, and I've actually taken time to test it out, and I'll show you how it works. So Kling 3 is actually an upgrade to Kling 2.6. So here under, when you're logged into Higgsfield, you click where it says video right here, then you just simply click here where it says Kling 3.0. What you need to do, you need to actually use the tool or the AI tool depending with the campaign that is there. Or if, let's say, of course it's not always that you just have to use these AI tools for only, let's say, for the campaigns. You can use these AI tools even for your own projects or for the likes. I'll show you one of the projects that I'm currently doing. It's for a YouTube short that I actually tested out with Kling 3. So let's just go right ahead here in video, click on Kling 3.0. So let me hide this offer. You can see they are offering 85% off discount. Yeah, anyway, I'm on the ultimate plan, so for now I think I'm okay. Kling 3, you can see they actually added start frame and end frame. I think this is very good because Kling is one, I think it's the closest AI tool, but some even say it's better than VO3. But okay, personally I still love VO3. I think it's one of the best. But in terms of audio, sometimes VO tends to, you have to regenerate the video and the likes. Now Kling 3 I think stands out when it comes to audio, especially dialogue and lip syncing features. So now let me show you how personally I'm using Kling 3, and I'll also review the project that I'm actually doing that you can also copy. Of course I was using VO3, but I think Kling is also able to do the same thing. So right now I'm going to upload. I have these 2 images. Now I think you've seen these videos, like the transformational videos, the cleaning videos. They are very popular right now in the YouTube shorts and also TikTok shorts and the likes. People love to watch these videos of. So you can see here I have an image of a ballroom, and currently you can see it's dirty, looks abandoned and the likes. So now what I want is to transform this, or maybe to do a video restore this dirty room to become this clean. Okay, I want it this clean. That's a full restoration and the like. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to upload these 2 images. This one will be the end frame, then this one will be the start frame. So right here, all you have to do is on start frame, I click on it and simply choose that specific image. So I'm going to select that start frame like that. Then also the end frame, I'm going to select the other one like that. The other advantage I can say in terms of, let's say, comparing to VO3 or maybe let's say Kling 2.6. Kling 2.6 usually you can only upload a reference image, just one image. You don't have the end frame. You're not using the end frame. You can only use a reference image, but you don't have the end frame. Now the other thing is that they have duration. They've added an option for you to adjust the duration. You can generate from as little as 3-second video. So you can see here the lowest is 3 seconds, then the maximum you can generate is 15 seconds. So I think, yeah, in terms of duration for AI tools, I think Sora still beats everyone, because Sora can even go up to 25 seconds with one generation. So unfortunately, the only downside is that because it was recently added and it's only like, yeah, this is early access, so sometimes there is high demand for the tool, so sometimes you have to wait for some time for the video to be generated. However, I already did some generations, so here I'm going to go to my history and show you some of the videos. But let me try to, okay, let me reduce this and simply paste in a prompt and see if I can get the generation and the likes. Okay, so and we just need to click generate. Now also you can change the resolution right here. You can change it to 1080. Now, like I already mentioned, because it's in early access currently, so you get, the higher you choose certain things or your settings, the slower it will be, or sometimes it might just fail. So let's just leave it at 720 so that possibly we can get the generation. So I'm just going to click right here where it says generate. So you can see it's still showing in progress. Like I've already mentioned, the tool is in early access mode. It's still not very stable because it's still being added. So luckily it has actually done the generation. So I've gone right ahead and downloaded the video, and let me just show you what we got. Yeah, so you can see, I think this is very good, and I think, yeah, of course AI is never perfect, but I think this is good. Yeah, let's just play it again. So now once you've done these, let's say the generations, you can use this, like for me, I'm going to post this on my shorts channel, the channel that I have for the transformational videos and the like. So if you ever find this video, you know that that's actually my channel. Then now once you have this, let's say if you want to make money with Higgsfield, all you have to do is come right here. First, let's go back to the home page, and right here, so now all you have to do is here you see when you scroll forward, you see here where it says Higgsfield N. Like I've mentioned, now this is their official creator program, so you just need to click on Higgsfield N. Then now what you do is you join this program, the Higgsfield N, and you can see they even update in real time that creators are earning from the platform. So now what you just do is click right here where it says start earning. Now when you click on start earning, you have to sign up into the creators dashboard. Now it's very easy to sign up. Just log in with your email, your Gmail account and the likes, and you'll be able to sign up to the platform. And inside the platform you will see different campaigns. So you can see right here is my members area, and the way it happens is that they'll show you, let's say, the payout for a campaign. For example, you can see the Kling 3, there's a submission payout here, like I say 120. Now these are not the final payouts. It will depend also with how your video performs. So let's say, for example, I do the video I'm doing, I submit it to Kling 3 because I've demonstrated as well. Like I've already mentioned on this channel, I practice what I preach. So if I submit it to Kling right here, it will depend with your channel. So let's say, for example, if you have a new channel, you might be offered a very low amount. Let's say, for example, they can offer you $10, and they're very good. They'll even offer you, let's say, $10. They can offer you, depending on the outcome, they'll start increasing, and you'll be able to make money with the platform.